everyone, welcome back to the Artistry Corner. This video is part of a fun collaboration called Coasting Through the Week with other amazing YouTube creators. You'll find their channels linked in the description down below, so you'll be sure to check them out and see what coaster projects they've created. All the products I will be using will be linked in the description down below. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, the first thing that I want to do is get the vinyl decals ready and cut with my Cricut Joy. That way when they're ready and the polyurethane is cured, I can just apply it. Okay, so next I'm gonna start by mixing my polyurethane resin and adding some Matio's white glitter mica powder for a little sparkle. If you've never used the polyurethane resin, this is a 1-to-1 ratio by volume or weight. It cures in 10 minutes and it cures white. I only have a 2-minute work time, so I need to make sure that everything here is in order and ready. I've already washed my molds and I'm going to be doing 4 ounces of the resin. Once they're done, I will be doing a top coat. So let's get this going. It feels soft still. let's see. I'm gonna give them a little more time. Okay. This one I'm gonna work on since it was thicker. Not by much though. Okay. Oh, they're gonna look so nice. Oh, I love the swirls. They look amazing. Now I'm gonna mix some Teexpert and do a top coat on each. Have them cured and then do the finishing touches. So I will be right back. I'm gonna be mixing the top coat. Okay, it's time for the top coat. And I like to work on a tray. That way I can transport. Okay, I'll be back in 45 minutes. Okay, they're manageable, but we got some bubbles. It's okay. I'm still gonna be able to sand them down, prep them, and get them ready so I can put the bumpers. that's it. I just need to put some bumpers just so I can protect surfaces. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you enjoyed watching how I made them. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell. That way you can be notified every time that I upload a video. We have lots of mixed media creative projects here at The Artistry Corner. Have a great night. Bye.